Welcome to another update via the First 13's Australia Oceania channel, where 99S continues to develop. The Bureau of Meteorology for the Western region via the Tropical Cyclone 3-day outlook has a weak tropical low near 12.3 south, 119.4 east, about 700 kilometres north-northwest of Broome. It is forecast to move slowly west and then south towards the Pilbara coast. The risk of the system developing into a tropical cyclone increases over the next few days, with a moderate rating on Wednesday and increasing to high on Thursday. Whilst there is some uncertainty with the forecast track, there is a chance the system reaches the central or western Pilbara coast later Thursday or on Friday. There is also a chance the system moves slower and tracks to the west before reaching the coast. For Tuesday, percentages remain low but increases to moderate on Wednesday, and Thursday up to high. The monsoon trough lies near the Cocos Islands and Christmas Island. A tropical low may form in the trough near Cocos Islands over the next couple of days, then remain in the vicinity of the Cocos Islands until later Saturday. When it starts moving away to the northwest. The system is expected to strengthen over the next few days, with the risk of it developing into a tropical cyclone increasing towards the end of the week. For Tuesday, percentages remain very low, increases to low on Wednesday and Thursday. Now this is a satellite view of the region and 99S. Now we have a look at some of the floaters provided by NOAA. Now, sea surface temperature is not an issue. 99S is in a very healthy 30-31 Celsius. Now we look at the 850 MB vorticity for the western region. There are 4 areas of interest. 99S, the area Cocos and Christmas Islands region. The area to the south of Perth and the area in the Great Australian Bight. Now this is a 24-hour wind shear tendency, and I'll just see if there's an update. As mentioned previously, tropical systems like the green, the blue to green, but the environment becomes less friendly in the other colours. Although wind shear is increasing, but it should change by the time 99S becomes possibly becomes the TC. Now we switch across to the eastern region. The 850 MB vorticity. Areas of interest later this week could be the Coral Sea up into the Solomon Sea region and down towards Fiji, where Fiji has, I think it's Tropical Depression 18F. Now this is wind shear, and other than the area in red, the environment's pretty good. Now this is a satellite view of the eastern region right across to Fiji. Now, this is a track of 99S. If it becomes a TC, please be advised that models do get run numerous times a day, and the tracks do change. Now this is another one. It's the UK Met. Now, they're indicating a possible system in the Coral Sea, but it's far too early to say what's going to happen. Now, this is a satellite view of the Solomon Island region. Now, this is the latest tropical cyclone formation probability guidance. And you can see how the picture has changed. The area of the Cocos Keeling Island across towards the northwest WA region where 99S is. Then the Coral Sea across to Fiji. Now, this is a current look at the weather scene over the state of Queensland. Now I'll just quickly bring up the Weather Bureau's total forecast of rain. And this is in 2 4-day blocks. This is the first 4 days. That's the second one. And then days 1 to 8. And Force 13 will continue to bring information via the updates when it becomes available. But there's no doubt that the tropical scene has considerably developed, and by the weekend we should have a couple of tropical cyclones in the western regions. So before we go,
you can follow Force 13 on any of our many outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker. Of course, we're on YouTube. You're probably watching us there, but if not, there it is. You can also find us on Facebook, search Force 13, all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, also all in text. You can also add Fool 13 on Skype and add extension 9094 on Discord.